basic material for stainless steel production is largely scrap iron and chrome, which we mine and refine ourselves. We produce stainless steel at plants in Finland, Sweden, the UK and USA under rigorous quality control. The most common stainless steel contains 18% chromium and 9% nickel. The remainder is mainly iron. The steel is first melted in the arc furnace at temperatures of 1650 degrees Celsius. The molten steel is then purified in the converter. Alloying materials are also added in the converter. The most modern technique for large-scale casting of stainless steel is known as continuous casting. The steel forms a bead that slowly moves downwards along rotating steel rollers. The steel is then cut to suitable lengths using a cutting torch. The steel from the continuous casting is preheated to approximately 1250 degrees Celsius before it continues to the hot rolling mill. The length of the material increases during the rolling in proportion to the decrease in thickness, while the width remains basically the same. After hot rolling, the very long piece of stainless steel is cooled in order to achieve optimal properties. After cooling to an appropriate temperature, it is then coiled while still hot. Another way to manufacture stainless steel is to individually roll the plates to size. This method is used whenever large or thick plates are required. After hot rolling, the stainless steel becomes progressively thinner and harder during the cold rolling. The cold rolling takes place between thin polished rollers that are mounted into a system of support rollers and rollers. Annealing is carried out in order to give the metal a uniform internal structure and homogeneous properties, both with respect to mechanical stability and resistance to corrosion. After annealing, the steel is pickled and rinsed with water. The strip can be smooth rolled as one further step to improve the surface smoothness and appearance of the stainless steel. This takes place in a special rolling mill with highly polishing rollers. In the cut-to-length lines, the steel can be cut into sheets or slitted to more narrow widths. After leveling, the strip is cut, inspected and rolled into coils of various lengths. We always seek to achieve customer satisfaction by high and consistent quality in our production. Inspection of sheets or coils is done by well-trained, committed people before the products leave the factory. There are hundreds of different grades of stainless steel. It is a superb modern material, and our research department is continuously developing new grades for new areas of application, such as high temperature and high strength steel. Let's make the world stainless.